Hello everyone, and welcome to another video for mindful eating. It's going to be a very short video. Today we'll be making some mini burger sliders. I've managed to get some brioche buns. I found this at the local supermarket retailer, and how I'm going to assemble it is very simple. Here I have, just before you here, we've got some meatballs. Obviously I've cooked them in a added the sauce last. I could have added the sauce whilst cooking, but I opted to add the sauce last. And what we're going to do very quickly here is assemble our meatball burgers. Now these you could have for a basically for a nice lunch. Basically we're going to do this now. We're going to assemble the meatball burgers like this. Just got one here. That's one. I'm going to put in another one here. Two. And then we have another one very quickly here. Number three. And we've just added two because they're quite small. And then we are going to align them up like this very quickly. And then we're going to add our accompaniments after. We've got here very quickly, we've got some red onions, which we're just gonna slightly put here like this. Just like that. It's a very quick video. Just assemble. And then we're going to add some sliced avocado. Very quickly like this. It's a very light snack. And then we are going to add our salad leaves on top, just like this. And there we go. We have our meatball sliders. I'm just going to show you a more better view in the camera here. We've got our meatball sliders here. It's a very quick video. I'm just going to show you lengthwise as well. As you can see, it does look lovely. And this is a very quick, snack to have for your basically for your lunch. I hope it's something that you can try at home. But these are your meatball sliders. I hope you enjoy it.